How to use customer segments on Shopify. If you're blasting the exact same marketing emails and discount codes to every single person on your list, you're leaving easy repeat sales on the table. Segmenting your audience lets you group shoppers by their spending habits, location, or purchase history, so you can send hyper-relevant offers that actually convert. So first, let us open up your customer dashboard and start building your first segment. For that, log into your Shopify admin and click on Customers in the left side right here. At the top of your customer page, click on Segments, or click directly into the search and filter bar. Shopify gives you ready-made templates, but you can build your own custom groups by selecting filters like amount spent, number of orders, location, or last order dates. So for instance, you just choose this, for example, last order date, then I choose less than, and then 12 months. And then you just run the command here, and it shows me how many customers had their orders 12 months ago. And we can also now set up 2 high converting segments every store needs: VIPs and inactive shoppers. Okay, so firstly, to build a VIP segment, set your filter to, firstly, amount spent is greater than £150. It will generate it automatically. And second one is number of orders is greater than 2. And then add this one as well. And once your list populates, just click Save or Save Segment. Give this a name, for example, VIP Shoppers, and save it. Bingo. And to create a win-back segment for inactive customers, you can set a filter for last order date is more than 90 days and save it as inactive customers. And segments are completely dynamic, meaning as soon as a new customer spends enough to qualify as a VIP, Shopify adds them to the list automatically. And you can select any unsaved segment and click Send Email Marketing to launch targeted offers directly through Shopify email or third-party marketing apps. That's it for this one, guys. Enjoy.